Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. Today I have Floral birthday card using Simon Says stamp Floral mix 6x6 background cling stamp. I already went ahead and stamped my background on Strathmore Bristol paper with VersaFine Onyx black ink. I had so much fun coloring this stamp background with my Zig markers. I left all the coloring footage so you can watch the floral stamp come to life. I'm gonna turn up my music sound and I will be back when the coloring is done. Now that the coloring is done, I'm going to die cut the panel with Elizabeth Craft Designs dashing rectangles, and I will also die cut this matting, and I will die cut the middle part of that because we're not gonna see that when we add our panel on top of it. And I really like that paper, that's why I'm saving some of it for another project. Now I'm going to cut my matting a tiny bit on the sides so my purple card base will show, so it will look like I have double matting for my panel. For the sentiment, I will use My Favorite Things hand lettered birthday Die-namics. I will die cut the words with Simon Says Stamp gold glitter paper and die cut the shadow with vellum. I will poke out the pieces that we don't need and add some painter's tape on top of the die cut words, so when I adhere them on the shadow die cut, they are together. And we can add liquid adhesive on the back of the die cuts, adhere it on the shadow die cut, and remove the painter's tape carefully. Before I adhere my sentiment on top of my panel, I'm going to add some shimmer on all of the flowers using my Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen. And now we can adhere our matting on our A2 size card base. Wait, I thought I'm gonna use purple card base. Okay, so I'm not using purple card base here. I'm using pink card base. So I added my matting, and then I'm also going to adhere my panel. And then for the sentiment, I'm using glossy accent, and then I'm just adding the glossy accents behind or on the back of the letters so it doesn't show on the vellum. And then for the sentiment, I scatter some of the iridescent sequins, and again I'm adhering them with glossy accents. For the inside of the card, I will just stamp wishing you the best day ever with Kaleidocolors tomato vine ink, and the stamp set is Hero Art's birthday messages. And my floral card is complete. I love how this card turned out. I hope you like today's card as much as I do, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.